In the deployment and status dashboard, here's where you're going to do most of your day-to-day tasks. This is where you're going to see the machines you have Kaseya agents installed and any Webroot information about them. So you can sort by your machine groups or organizations, and then from there you can decide the machine doesn't have Webroot on it at that point in time. Go ahead and uninstall. Also uninstall. And then a machine that looks like it needs some help, you can go ahead and run agent commands and clean up that machine. You also have the Webroot console button. This will always take you to the Webroot management console should you need to do any work there. And then you can always click on the W and gain more information into what's going on with the settings for this machine, and then also the threat history.